Yo, what's good, everybody? It's Vic here. Today is Wednesday, March 4th. I'm going to be going over the trades I took, and we have another losing day. I really don't know what to say. I mean, I have no words. I think this is the fifth losing day in a row. Yeah, hold on, let me go through it. Let me go through it. Let me go through it with y'all real quick. I don't know what's happening, right? Other than the two self mistakes I made last week, I would take the same trades I took today, yesterday. This I'm on 3 on the week, but I would take all those trades again. I don't know what's happening. I really don't know what's happening, man. I'm disappointed, to say the least. But am I just gonna change my whole strategy simply? Maybe, I don't know. I would take these again, but today lost, right? Today lost. Hold up. What was this one? Wednesday. Okay, that was the first trade. Today lost, right? Yesterday lost. Monday lost. So that's 3. Didn't take this one. 4. Won this one, but I'm gonna count this because I took another trade. So that's 4, 5, 6. So I'm really on a 6 trade losing streak, man. Or I should say, out of my last 7 trades, I'm 0 for 7. I'm on losing trades. I am. Okay. I'm 1 for 7 on my last 7 trades. That is absolutely ridiculous, man. It's brutal, man. It's brutal if I'm being honest. But let's go into this trade recap. I'm gonna get this over with. Man, I really don't like doing trade recaps on losing days, but it is what it is. Coming into market open, we were in between this range. I didn't really have a bias, but I did think we were bullish. Pre-market, it was ripping up. And before market opens, we are currently in this 15-minute gap. Below here, we were sitting in this 15-minute gap, but we were also sitting in a bearish 1-hour gap, and I believe it also a 4-hour gap, right? So we're sitting in between there, those 2 points. So I'm just waiting for market to manipulate into one of the directions. Do we want to manipulate lower and come tap this 5-minute gap, then continue higher, or do we want to sweep these highs and continue lower, right? That's my initial thought process coming into the day, right? And okay, I think the first trade was 3 minutes short, right? So coming into market open, we rip up, we sweep liquidity, right? We sweep liquidity. So in my head, this is accumulation. This is a manipulation to the upside, and I would think we would distribute to the opposite direction, right? We get a 3-minute IFEG. I would take this at any time. We're bouncing off high time frame gaps, 1-hour, 4-hour bear gaps. This is standard 3-minute IFEG. Break even at this 5. I know we are in this low, so really I should have been break even at this internal low, but I decided to go break even at the 5-minute gap. I enter. We tap the 5-minute gap, we get break even, and it runs the other way, right? I'm still sitting here, I'm waiting. We had news at 9 a.m. and the 9 a.m. news I think I already skipped it. We had news at 9 a.m. and 9 a.m. candle manipulates us higher. We sweep these highs. There's an SMT with ES, right? And it immediately, in my head, we starting to have this LR built up, right? We have lower draws, and at this point we have where I was targeting was a unfilled 4-hour gap, right? Unfilled 4-hour gap. So in my head, that is what we are, or that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm anticipating price to do in this point in time, right? So the 9 a.m. candle, 9 a.m. news, we shoot up, we sweep liquidity. There's an SMT. We're still in these higher time frame gaps, and the reaction we get is so bearish, such a bearish reaction after respecting higher time frame gaps, right? Even if you look at the 15-minute or not the 15-minute, right? But at this point in time, we are respecting the bearish gaps, right? We are respecting the bearish gaps we have, right? And because we are in the higher time frame gaps, I really like shorting in this area, right? Especially after I believe, like, everybody took longs here, and I'm not gonna lie, if I'm being quite honest, I just don't see it. Like, I really just don't see it. Hold up, let me mark out the 1 hour and 4 hour gaps, because I want to make sure if it really, maybe that was my mistake. Maybe it really, right? Because in my opinion, as long as we're on the 4 hour gap, like, regardless of where we're at, if we show some type of bearish reaction, I can short from there, right? I just want to see where specifically I was shorting from. Yeah, so I would have, we were in it, we had, I don't know. I really don't know, bro. Cause I still like this sweep of liquidity. We're in the higher time frame gap. Like, we hadn't broken out of it, but we are in the higher time frame gap. We have good LR, in my opinion. I entered this trade, and I've just been getting like instant SL. Like, like I said, I'm 1 for 7 my last 7 trades, and like all those losses have been like instant SL. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to change. I don't know, like, do I have to adapt to market? I really don't know. I really don't know what to do, what to change. Yeah, let me show y'all P&L on the alpha accounts. First trade on these alpha accounts, I'm going half risk every trade because I'm not sitting in eval jail. So we have one more trade on these accounts before they're blown. 2,000. I'm risking 2,000 per trade. Hopefully Thursday, Friday are better. I really don't know what to say. There's no way I go 1 for 8, right? There's no way I go have a 6-day losing streak, right? I mean, never say never, but holy, like, yeah, a lot of people took this inverse back to the upside because of this 1 minute candle showing bullish momentum. But I'm not gonna lie, like, I did not see that one bit. Like, again, like, I would take what I took, and that's the thing, and that's why I'm not too upset on this losing streak I'm on, because I would take majority of these trades 10 out of 10 times. Like, the same way they aren't playing out now is the same way I've seen them play out countless amount of times. So I'm not too worried. It just sucks on the mental a little bit, especially being like, having a chance to secure a 6K payout. Don't secure the 6K payout, right? We then go on a losing streak, blow those accounts. Not only do we blow those accounts, now on the new evals, we blow them shits, or not blow, but we start down on those as well. Like, I mean, if this is not one of my biggest tests yet, I don't know what is. I know, like, I just have to keep being resilient. Like, that's really all I can ask for. Or that's all I can say, because there's nothing else. But I'm not going to quit, but it's like, I'm not going to change anything I'm doing, right? I don't know. Like, and again, I'm not going to say I don't want to blame price action. I do want to blame price action. This shit has been ass. This shit has been fucking ass. But hey, bro, to each their own. Like, you can't tell me this is not accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Like, accumulating right here, we manipulate at market open, just distribute back down. Like, I don't get it. I don't know what I've been doing wrong. Like, I really don't know. But it's like, I'm not changing the way. I mean, I guess I could see these quadruple highs that we have. Great magnet. The market, I should have seen that. I guess, but even so, like, what I seen, the reaction I seen it from, I think I would take this trade again, bro. Like, if it fits my criteria, I don't care what nobody say, bro. Oh yeah, maybe, I don't know. Maybe I don't know. It's like, I'm gonna still be on my FU mentality. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm going to take this 3 jive pattern SMT again. No hindering liquidity below us. It's not like we were bound. Like, you feel me? Like, I would have probably went break even at this internal low. Like, it's not even probably. I would have been, like, you feel me? What is not right about this? Like, you feel me? Why haven't I been able to hit? Why are all my shit straight SO? I don't get it. Straight SO. Straight essentially straight SO, straight SO, straight SO, win, straight SO, straight SO. Like, what am I doing, bro? Win, win. Like, what am I doing? Like, I don't know. That's the thing, but I'm not upset though. That's the also the other. Like, if I was taking straight bullshit trades, okay, I would understand. But at the end of the day, what does one do when they are following their process, but the results are not showing, right? I guess I still have to continue following my process, and eventually, I just hope that the same way I'm on a big ass losing streak right now, is the same way I'll be on a big ass winning streak right now. Man, I really don't know what to say. There's not much for me to say. Although if I didn't take those trades, I would have taken these longs, right? Tap into this 15-minute gap. We have a 5-minute IFEG. There is another 5-minute IFEG on the leg, but when I went to take it, I didn't remember that Alpha Zero accounts had a max daily loss limit. So this would have been a banger, bro. Here, targeting internal highs, stops body close, right? So free. Man, I don't know, bro. I don't want to be down in the dumps or nothing, but like, I don't know. When am I gonna get at this funk, bro? It's been a week now. Like, today makes a week where I just been losing. God will be with me, man. God will be with me, man. That's all I have. No more. Like, I want to keep it relatively. It's not even a short video. It's a 12-minute video. Man, I really don't know what to do, bro. I'm gonna continue to follow my process, but when it rains, it pours. I guess, like, when it rains, it pours. Yeah, I'm not gonna change anything I'm doing. I've been liking other than the 2 mental mistakes I made last week. I've been liking the trades I'm taking. Like, market is literally just not fucking with me, and I don't know why that is. But I'm gonna continue to follow my process. The way I see market and how market moves, like, I would take these trades again. Like, you can't tell me this shouldn't have continued lower. Like, I know a lot of people took longs, and I do understand that current market sentiment at this point is bullish. But again, like, sweep liquidity, SMT, inversion, at least break even at the unfilled gaps. Like, I don't know, bro. I really don't know. Like, I did not see higher, and a lot of people were saying this 1-minute gap, but this 1-minute gap went IFEG, so I really don't know. Like, I don't know, bro. We finna go on a run. I know that it's coming. I just gotta weather the storm, bro. I really just gotta weather the storm. It is what it is. Why not us, though? Like, you gotta take the good with the bad with the good. It is what it is. It's part of the game, but holy, like, my mental is starting to get affected a little bit, if I'm being completely honest, bro. If I'm being completely honest, right, it's brutal, it's tough, but man, I don't know. Everything happens for a reason. You feel me? God's timing, everything gonna play out as it should, but man, it do hurt, bro. That's all I had to say for today. Why not us? Why not y'all? We finna be rich though. No doubt about that. We finna make it. We finna be rich as shit. Like, what? We finna be millionaires, bro. Y'all have a blessed day. Vic out, man.